Hey everyone, Uttam here, DevRel Engineer at Alchemy. In this video, we will learn how to build a Telegram bot agent in 5 minutes using Alchemy Webhooks and no-code AI tools so you can monitor any on-chain activities and notify your users. For this tutorial, we will be building a bot to monitor the DAO's World app on base L2 rollup, but you can literally use this to monitor any apps on any supported Alchemy Webhooks chain. And if you're building a new DeFi application or any Web3 app, that having a bot or agent that notifies your users is super helpful as it keeps user informed about all the metrics and updates, which is super bullish in my opinion. So building it is a super simple 5-step process. So first step, we will create our Telegram bot and get the API keys, and then create and test and customize our Alchemy webhooks. Then we will get a server code from ChatGPT, then connect it with our Telegram bot, and then finally we will deploy our server. So let's get started. First things first, let's create our Telegram bot. So go to your Telegram and look for bot father. This is the correct username, and then go back and click on that start button, and it's going to give you some commands that you can use. So for now, I'm going to use the new bot command because we have to create a new bot. Okay, so how are we going to call our bot? Just click on DAO world updates. Just choose that name, whatever name you want to choose, and then choose a unique username. So make sure that your username for your bot is unique and it must end with bot, right? So for now, I'm going to type something like DAO world updates and also bot. I hope it's not taken. Okay, so this bot was not taken. If it was taken, you might have to change it. Okay, so we have a bot now. You can find that a link to that bot here, and then you will also get some token to access the HTTP API. So make sure that these tokens are safely and secure, and they are not public. Okay, so now let's move forward to the next thing. We are going to monitor DAO's World, which is basically an application on Base where users can create and manage DAO hedge funds, raise funds, and trade on chain. So here you can see a couple of hedge funds that people already created. So what we are going to do in this tutorial is we are going to take treasury addresses of these DAOs, and whenever there is any transaction happens on this treasury address, whether something is coming, whether there is a transfer token coming in or out, we are going to get that notification on our Telegram bot, right? So what you have to do is head over to alchemy.com, and here, if you don't have an account, click on sign in and create an account. If you already have one, you will be redirected to your dashboard. From the dashboard, head over to webhook services, and here you can see there are a couple of webhooks, which is address activity, NFT activity, and also there is custom webhook, so you can get notified for any event on NV block. For this tutorial, we will be using address activity because we have to monitor a particular address and actually couple of addresses. So create webhooks for that. You can see an example payload which we are going to use in just a couple of seconds. So maybe you can give the name to your webhooks. For now, I'm going to give it DAO's World and then choose the chain. So since the application is on base, I will use the base chain, but feel free to use any other connected chains. I'm going to choose network as mainnet, and then we have to put the Ethereum addresses of those treasury addresses that we just saw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a couple of treasury addresses where we have like 4 hedge funds. So I'm going to add 4 treasury addresses to Alchemy here. You can actually add multiple addresses here, right? And then after that, what we will require is a webhook URL. So where do we get this webhook URL from? So for that, we have to have a particular custom server deployed that we just talked about previously. So our next step is going to be to create the servers which can receive notification from our webhooks and redirect it to Telegram bot. So let's head over to Replit, and we will use ChatGPT to create our script, so you don't really have to code anything. So what I'm doing here is using ChatGPT to write a Node.js script that receives webhooks notification about that address activity, and I will provide the example event payload as well that we just saw. You know what, we can actually go to the Alchemy dashboard and copy that event payload so that ChatGPT understands what an event payload looks like for our webhooks, right? And then it will just forward the information to the Telegram bot. So in this particular case, we are not saving webhooks, right, in a database or anything. But if you want, you can save it to a database and play with it. But for this particular condition, since we don't need it to be stored in a database, it is just going to get forwarded to a Telegram bot. But you can save it to a database, right? So I provided the four different DAO treasury address that we want to monitor, so that ChatGPT can recognize what particular treasury address is dedicated to which DAO, and send a custom notification. And then it is going to send a notification to the bot accordingly. And we will only monitor the following assets, which is ETH, RabDETH, the Coinbase ETH, and the Lido ETH, for notifications of in and out, because there might be some spam tokens that will be sent to that particular token, to that particular address, and we don't want a notification of those transactions. Okay, cool. So let me just also paste the event payload and let's go. So I'm using the advanced oven model, so which might take some time to generate the script. Okay, so ChatGPT has provided us with a script, and what we have to do now is definitely use our Telegram bot token and use it with our script and also the chat ID. In a minute, I will let you know how you can find the chat ID too. But yeah, it gives us a proper script of to what DAO treasuries we want to monitor, what assets we want to monitor, and then it will send a particular Telegram message to the bot. And then it also checks that if we want to, which address does the activity comes from, and it then sends a customized message to the DAO. So we will copy this script and make small changes and then deploy it using Replit. So copy it and head over to Replit. I'm on Replit and now I'm going to create and start a new Replit project for our server. So just click on that create REPL and then choose Node.js from the template and just name it as DAO's world and create a REPL. And after that, what we're going to do is whatever code that ChatGPT gave us, we are just going to copy and paste it to Replit. So I've copy pasted my ChatGPT code to my Replit project, and here you can see I've also copy pasted the Telegram bot tokens from our Telegram chat, from the where we created the bot. Now for the Telegram chat ID, go to a new tab and search for api.telegram.org, and here also slash bot, and then copy and paste your token to that URL in after bot. And then once you do that, also do slash get updates, and then you will get your chat ID, I think. But for that, you will have to go back to your bot, click on your bot that you just created, and send hi to that bot or any other message. And now you go and head over to chat and ID. So you got your chat ID from here. So copy and paste this onto your Replit code. Okay, so you got chat ID and then the code is doing everything. So we will just do a quick check if the code is working fine or not. I haven't done as such changes to the code. The only thing I've added is a test endpoint, which is optional. And one important thing to remember is that do not paste your Telegram bot token or any other API keys directly to the code. Always use .env. For the sake of simplicity, I'm doing it in this tutorial, but don't do that. Now I'm going to run the server and I'm not even going to deploy it. If you're doing it on mainnet, you can just use Vercel or anything else to like deploy your server. Okay, I'm going to click on new tab and I'm going to get our webhook URL, which is this. I'm also going to do slash webhooks. So we can just copy and paste this URL and we can paste it on our Alchemy dashboards. On the Alchemy dashboard, we have already added all the Ethereum addresses, which is the DAO addresses. And I am also going to paste the webhook URL here now. And I'm then going to create the webhook URL. So here you can see that the webhook URL is live, and then whenever there is a notification it will be sent to our server, and the server is going to forward it to our Telegram bot. Now let's wait and see if we receive any notifications. So one of the important and helpful features of Alchemy Webhooks is test notification. So if you go to the Alchemy dashboard here, you can see you can actually find a send test notification method, which will basically send a test notification to your server. And what I've made some changes in my code where basically whenever the server receives a test notification, it is going to send a message to the Telegram bot that this test notification has been received. So let's go to the Alchemy dashboard and click on send test notification, and it is going to send a notification to a server, and the server is going to forward it to a Telegram bot. So I'm just going to click on send test notification, and there you can also see in the console that you've received it, and then Telegram message was sent successfully. Now let's go back to the Telegram bot. Here you can also see that and a test notification was received. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the transaction to happen so that the transaction message are also going to come here. By the way, I removed the filter that we added to our code to monitor only the certain assets because the transaction wasn't happening, and I wanted to show you guys a Telegram notification. So I removed that filter, and now basically it gives notification about every transaction activity that is happening, whether it's any token. Okay, so we have received a webhook notification from our Alchemy webhooks about the address activity on this particular address. And this is how the notification looks like. So you can see that there is a transaction that happened on this particular address. If you're looking for more tutorials, guides, and information on Alchemy webhooks, then head over to docs.alchemy.com and go to view docs, and then head over to the webhook section where you will find multiple tutorials and all the information you need to get started with webhooks. So head over to alchemy.com and start using webhooks, and there are endless possibilities of what you can build with webhooks. Thanks for watching this video. If you need any help with any Alchemy products, then drop a comment in the comment section. If you're watching it on Twitter, then you can DM us too or join our Discord. Thank you.